Hello, how are you doing today? This is Dr. Keith, the vegan naturopath, coming today with another quick wellness nugget. And today this article is from Veg News, and this article is dated October 21st, and it says meat linked to early death in heart disease patients. And this is an article that goes on to talk about how digestive byproducts from eating meat and eggs nearly triple the chances of early death in peripheral heart disease patients. So basically it goes on to talk about those patients who already have heart disease and are continuing to consume meat and eggs can actually significantly increase the likelihood that they're going to die, in most cases sooner than they would have died had they ceased eating it. The article goes on to say a report published in October in the Journal of the American Heart Association revealed that patients with peripheral heart disease who also ate animal products substantially increased their risk of early death. The study focused on 821 patients with PAD or peripheral heart disease. And it goes on to say, which is a type of heart disease affecting 85 million Americans, which is caused by fat accumulation in the arteries of the legs, the arms, the head, or the abdomen. It says that researchers identified in this study that the consumption of meat and eggs creates a digestive byproduct called, well, we'll just look at the TMAO. We won't try to pronounce that. The presence of which, when found in participants' gut bacteria nearly triples the chances of PAD or patients dying within 5 years. The article goes on to say the lead researcher, Dr. W.H. Wilson Tang, advised that patients with high levels of TMAO who consume animal products receive more aggressive and specific dietary and medical therapy, adding that vegetarians or vegans or those who eat the so-called Mediterranean diet have lower TMAO levels. In fact, he says over 7% of deaths are linked to dietary choices, according to a recent comprehensive study entitled The Global Burden of Disease. And plant-based diets have been proven to improve heart health and also to aid in weight loss. Now, it's interesting to note, it wasn't mentioned in this article, but I would be, if I was a betting man, I would be sure to say that most of these patients who already had heart disease and was still eating this way developed that heart disease primarily or significantly by their consumption, in many cases, or probably in most all cases, of consuming dairy and meat together with other bad, unwise lifestyle choices. This is Dr. Keith. I thank you for listening. Be sure to subscribe, comment, whether you agree or disagree. And until next time, this is Dr. Keith, the Vegan Naturopath.